Bangladesh is among the top 3 countries in Shenzhen area where the highest number of visa applications have been rejected last year. A website called Shenzhen Visa Info revealed this information yesterday. In a report, the website said West African country Comoros had the highest number of visa refusals in 2024. Bangladesh and Pakistan remain in the next line. The website said 39,345 applications for Shenzhen visas were made from Bangladesh last year. Of this, 20,957 applications were rejected, whereas in 2023, 1,715 Bangladeshi visas were rejected against 41,370 Shenzhen visa applications. Sweden has rejected the most visas to Bangladeshis among the Shenzhen countries.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।